Hey, it's Michael Saul with the Stock Market Trading Watch List for Thursday, January 5th. Let's take a look at Wednesday's action. Not much to talk about as far as the major indexes. The S&P formed a pause day inside not seen this early on, and closed just barely above that. NASDAQ 100 did a little bit better. Okay, closed up 0.33 of a percent. Sorry, I didn't mean to be aggravated there, but whatever. If I say it wrong, I just sometimes want to just smack myself. But so it closed better, but still nothing rip-roaring higher. Now, NASDAQ volume did come in higher than the previous day, which is pretty good. NYSE volume pulled in a little bit. All right. Here's the Russell. Okay, down 0.66 of a percent. So NASDAQ 100 up, Russell down. The Dow, which I usually don't look at, but we'll look at it today. The Dow wound up closing up 0.17 of a percent. All right, so better than the S&P overall. Now, the reason that I wanted to talk about the Dow a little bit today is that the Dow stocks, some of the Dow stocks that we've been watching for the January effect have been doing pretty nice. Microsoft in particular had a really nice ripping move to the upside. This is one of the doggies of the Dow coming in, and just this is how it ended last year, and just has been ripping it up here. All right, stocks like AA as well. Okay, nice move, 2% percentage gain. Cisco, okay, up nearly 2%. Looks like could be on the verge of breaking out of this handle here. Well, don't necessarily know if this is a cup, but this looks like a handle to me. All right, we've got this gap to deal with up here. All right, at 2190. So some nice looking moves in some of these stocks. Caterpillar, only up 1%. Some reason I thought it was above the 200 day today, but still an okay move. Bank of America, okay, up 0.5%. Sitting at the 50. All right, right at resistance here. So see if it could bust on through and try to get to that 89 EMA. All right, look at some of the sectors. Semiconductors, small, up 0.02%. Banks we just talked about. All right, JP Morgan, another one, doing really nice. Another doggy of the Dow. It looks like it's marked down for the day, but still a nice break on Tuesday, and then Wednesday it just paused, but didn't really edge that much, and the volume wasn't greater than the previous day. Look at some other ones. Northern Trust, yeah, gave back a little bit here. Citigroup, pause day. Broker dealers, down 0.6%. Goldman, down 0.5%. Morgan, down 0.8%. How about GLD? Yeah, up about 0.5%. Watching to see if it kisses that 200-day moving average. SLV with a pause day. USO up 0.25%, above that little consolidation. Cyclicals, yep, almost 0.6%. Glamour stocks, Appalicious. Okay, continuing to climb higher here. Still got that gap, 422.24. Didn't quite make it there just yet. I'm sorry, 415.99. I'm sorry. The lap fills at 422.24. That's the close of this candle. But the low of that candle is 415.99. Didn't quite make it there. How about Amazon? We're looking at that 20 EMA as potential resistance. Didn't quite make it there yet. Google, still rocking and rolling. This thing is extended, so it's due a pause, but I mean, if this can keep this upside momentum going, this could go back into the 700s sooner than later. How about Ford? Somebody wrote me, want me to look at Ford today. Yeah, I mean, not bad looking overall. Above all the moving averages but the 200-day, but still needs some nice a nice shove higher. Okay, and see what it does at the 200-day moving average. Riverbed, got to get over that 50-day moving average. Chipotle, yeah, the reversal candle I talked about yesterday did not trigger. Instead, we had a high inside day. So, yeah, it could still pull back from here, but that's just more of a pause day than anything. Netflix, yes sir, Netflix on the January effect list that I gave out to those who were interested. Really nice push here, up nearly 11%. All right, nice push on Netflix. Research in motion, down 3%. Still not a bad little bounce off those lows, but definitely not ripping. Okay, U.S. Steel, all right, forming a nice looking base here. See if it can get a bust out here, move higher. 200-day moving average. Let's see if we can get there. How about Sears Holding? It's the one that almost made the January effects list, but it didn't. And look at this, just ugliness, huh? Wow. Wow. Been down nearly 10% from the mechanical entry, but of course, you know, it would. I mean, obviously, it would still be down no matter where you grabbed it, unless you grabbed it at the close. On Wednesday and see if it opens up higher tomorrow. But otherwise, yeah, this one's an ugly one for sure. So, anyway, that's it for today. Wait and see mode. Friday is the job number. So we could stay choppy until then. But you never know. If we get some news or something to shake up the market, we could get some sort of movement. I'll be happy if we get another pause day because I'm still not feeling 100%. So that's it. Let's see what happens with the market on Thursday, and I'll talk to everybody again on Friday.